Now, the other part of the prompt that's built, which is also interesting, in addition to this description of what the time series data is there's also a description of the data in terms of the domain of the data, so some context of what the data is. So this can be something like this is weather forecast data, or this is stock market price data. And then instructions as to I want to forecast the next 20 days of this stock price data. And then some input statistics, and essentially this is background information that the model is using to then build that forecast. And what is interesting about this is they did some experimentation as to what is the most effective in terms of should they include the time series data first and then the description of the data, or should they include the description of the data first and then the time series data. And what they found is that including the description first before including the translation of the time series data to the language model was more effective than the opposite, than the other way around. And I'm kind of skipping over some of these more hyper detailed specifics about how this is working. But if you are interested in this, then you can go to the paper directly and read it through in its entirety.